What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I have to reveal to you guys what I did that, well, kind of ruined a piece of my car. So yeah, you know, this is a mistake I made and we're gonna cover that in today's video. First, we have a few things that we need to get done before that, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. Okay, so one thing about me is I used to skateboard like my entire childhood. That's all I did was wake up, go to the skate park and spend the whole day there. Well, as I got older, I just completely stopped skateboarding. So I'm trying to get back into it. I'm super rusty. So I'm gonna see if I can film some clips for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna skateboard a little bit and then yeah, carry on with the day. I've never really filmed at skate parks, so yeah, this might be a little bit awkward, but who cares? We're gonna film it. Alright guys, so I'm just practicing on this rail right here, trying to get some board slides down, so yeah, let's hope I don't eat it. Let's see if I can at least still do a decent ollie. I'm gonna put my skateboard away before I get hurt. I actually have a torn shoulder right now, guys, so I gotta be careful with this skateboarding. But yeah, it was nice to get out there for about like 30-40 minutes and just get in the sun, skateboard, and do what I used to do as a kid. So now we're gonna continue the day. Alright guys, so I have a smoothie because I don't know if I've told you guys, but my girlfriend actually just started working at Colorado N5X, so we're gonna drop her off a smoothie and see what they got going on in there. We're in Brian's shop right now, and obviously that's his F80. Looks like it's just being protected from any fluids from the car above it, but he's taking apart his turbos right now, because I'm assuming you're selling them, right?
Yeah, they're already sold.
All right, so his turbo's already sold, and that's because he's going single turbo. So we're gonna go check out the single turbo kit that he's installing in a second. And there's actually a funny story behind that kit, so I'll tell you guys when we get there. All right, guys, so here is the single turbo kit. Now this is the 4N Motorsport kit. The story behind it that I was telling you guys earlier about is this is actually the kit that came off of the M3 that we filmed a few months ago. Oh my gosh.
Stay in there.
And then we got Boba over here. What's it? Little squeaky toy. Go play over there. Alright guys, so yeah, this is the kit that came off of that Tanzanite Blue M3 that we filmed. Boba! You're too cute to yell at. This would be a funny clip, don't worry.
There was the nastiest spider.
Not Boba interrupting me, it's Alex interrupting me now.
I thought you quit.
No, it's okay. This would be funny in the video. Hello, again. Alright guys, this is tempt 25. So, anyways, I'll post a clip here of the M3 that it came off of that we filmed a few months ago. So, it's super cool that Brian is taking the kit and heading trying to put it on his car. So, we'll definitely have to get a lot of single turbo content with his new, not his new M3, but with his current M3 because, yeah, there's not a lot of content out there with these kits. But just check out everything that you got, like the charge pipes. You know, everything just looks crazy. You've got obviously the big turbo right here, which is just insane. I actually took a ride in the car that used to have this kit and it is very vicious. So yeah, this will be super cool to see to put on his car. All right guys, so just left the shop, heading back home now so that I can go ahead and break down what happened to my car. So I am heading back home right now, and yeah, my tires destroyed a part of my car, and that's what I made my mistake on. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home, take apart the car, and show you what exactly happened so that you guys do not make the same mistake as me. So yeah, let's head home and take a look. Hey guys, so I am back in my garage. I am wearing my work on my car clothes because yeah, I get super filthy every time I work on my cars, so I always have a dedicated outfit to work on them with. Anyways, I've got my jack right there. I'm gonna lift the car up and I'm gonna show you guys the mistake I made. And yeah, we're gonna take a look. Taken off right there. So take a look at my wheel well liner. Yeah, there's some marks on it. Now what happened was I put too thick of a tire on my lowered car, and what that's been doing is absolutely shredding up my wheel liner. Like, this is all plastic that's just being ripped apart and putting a little damage on my tire. So if you look at this, it's almost like paper thin. Like, this is ready to fully puncture through. And actually on the other side, it did fully puncture through, which I'll show you guys a video of that. And the tire's just been rubbing like crazy. And if you look back here, there's more rubbing. Look above it, there's rubbing right here. I mean, you can really start peeling plastic off of this wheel liner. Up here, a little bit of rubbing. Right here, there's some rubbing. And you don't really hear it while driving, but yeah, it's just been tearing apart my wheel liner. Now when you take a look at my tire, you can definitely see these marks all around the tire, and it's yeah, it's wearing out the tire from all the friction. Same with this side, you've got a little bit of marks that go all around the tire. So yeah, definitely messing up my tires a little bit. But this tire size is just a little too thick, and it's not a good fitment for having a lowered car like mine, because it's the 40 sidewall that's giving me issues. I'm running a 40 sidewall in the rear, no issues. It's a really aggressive fitment, but it fits. On the front, you're just gonna get tons of rubbing, and if the car wasn't on lowering springs, then it'd fit perfectly fine. That's actually why I chose that tire size, because I saw it on another M4 and it looked really aggressive, but I didn't realize that they weren't lowered, so it was able to fit. But I ended up buying this tire size anyways, and yeah, it's just been causing a lot of damage in my wheel liner. So I am gonna have to buy new wheel liner, especially for the other side, since it is puncturing holes in it. Now, you have wheel liner for a reason, to block out water and dirt and dust from getting into certain components that are just supposed to be blocked and covered. So yeah, it's about $150 per wheel liner, so that's like a $300 mistake I made with getting these tires on the car. So yeah, definitely not too happy with it. So I'm hoping that this will, you know, give you guys a heads up, just in case you were looking to throw like a thicker tire on it. Don't. The thickest you can go is like a 35 sidewall, which is factory spec. That will fit fine. But yeah guys, the fitment looks really good with that tire. I can't fit a wheel spacer on because then it starts rubbing like on the actual fender itself. Luckily it's not doing that, it's just rubbing on the wheel liner. Yeah, it's it's kind of a stupid mistake. I should have figured this out while I was shopping for tires, but oh well, these things happen. Just glad that this isn't punctured yet. I did grab black duct tape, so I'm gonna patch up the other side since there is an actual hole in the wheel liner from it. But yeah, this is just a lesson to be learned. You know, I was really just trying to experiment with different tire sizes, and yeah, fitment is like a super important thing when it comes to putting tires and wheels on your car. And If you don't do it right, you can damage your tire, you can damage your wheel liner, your fenders, and yeah, it's just not fun to deal with. So make sure you guys do your research, because obviously I didn't when shopping for tire sizes and everything. I really like my rear fitment, but yeah, the front really screwed me over. It just sucks because these tires are still in like amazing condition, but you know, probably in a few months I'm just gonna have to get a whole new set of tires. I don't really drive the car too much, so I'm not too worried about causing any more damage. But yeah, guys, when you really take off the wheel, you can really start finding more and more pieces where it's been rubbing on. So this side again isn't that bad, but yeah, definitely cannot have it run like this for much longer. Check out this front lip though. It actually doesn't look too bad with the duct tape on it, but it did ruin the fitment of it when I hit that garage. So if you look over here, it's like, it sits a little more flush, and then down here it hangs a little bit. Really took apart my front lip when I smacked that thing. I still have a little bit of rubber on my car from when we had Casper fly all the way out from Poland to drift my car, so. So, if you guys haven't seen that video, it's my upload before this one, and it was the funniest video and craziest video I've ever filmed, so you guys should definitely check that one out. But yeah, I guess that's really all I have to say for this video. It was a mistake I made, and you know, hopefully you guys can learn from it and prevent your wheel well liner from needing to be replaced, because yeah, 300 bucks, that sucks. Other than that, here's my messy garage. I'm gonna wrap things up from here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Peace out.